So your roof got smoked by hail and Big Blue Allstate adjuster says that your roof is totaled and needs to be replaced. They send you a check, but then you realize that that check isn't nearly enough to replace the entire roof. Well, it may be because you have something called a roof payment schedule. And if you don't understand how this works, you're about to eat a massive out-of-pocket expense. Let's fix that. Mike G, Delta Public Adjusting, and we've helped our homeowners recover millions on their property claims. Most people think they have full roof coverage. This is an extremely dangerous assumption, especially if you have Allstate. Allstate uses what's called a roof surfaces endorsement, also called a roof payment schedule, RPS. It's completely different than an RCV, replacement cost value policy. The RPS policy is a system that basically says we'll pay less the older your roof is. Yes, as in less money, more age, more out-of-pocket expense for you. So let's break it down. Let's say you've got a 10-year-old shingle roof. With a full RCV policy, you get 100% of the replacement cost. But with a roof schedule, Allstate looks at your roof's age and material, then reduces the payout based on a chart. So for example, if your roof gets totaled, instead of getting $15,000 for a full roof replacement, depending on the age and material of your roof, you might get $6K. And the gap between the $6K and the $15K, yeah, it's coming out of your pocket. So you might be asking, if you have an RPS, what actually affects the payout? So there's two main things you want to look for if you've got an RPS policy. The main, most important thing is the actual age of the roof. The older the roof, the lower the payout. The second thing is the type of material. What is your roof actually made out of? Is it shingles, tile, metal? If you have an RPS policy, you're effectively getting a set rate depending on how old your roof is. You are not getting replacement cost benefits. Check the description down below to understand replacement cost after you're done with this video. Now, if you have an RPS policy and you've already filed a claim and the inspection's already taken place, you're pretty much screwed. Take this as a life lesson and move on. But if you have Allstate and you have not filed a claim yet, there is a remedy to this. It's called the Roof Surfaces Extended Coverage Endorsement. Basically, this endorsement gives you replacement cost benefits should your roof get totaled. Now, your roof needs to be 15 years or younger in order to qualify, and things constantly change with big insurance, so make sure you reach out to your local Allstate agent to get the most up-to-date information. Look, it's no surprise that a roof payment schedule will make a policy cheaper, but you get what you pay for. Cheaper premiums today means less payout later when you actually need it. You just need to be comfortable with the level of risk you're willing to take. Would you rather save 20 bucks a month on your premium or drop $8,000 if your roof gets totaled? And hey, go ahead and comment down below if you have Allstate and if you know whether or not you have an RPS policy or the extended coverage. Let me know down below. And if you made it this far, click subscribe. It's free 99, baby. And I'll see you on the next one.